welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode of travel vlog. Okay, for this month we'll be having a staycation as well. Alright, so let's go. We are at the saltwater swimming pool, yes, with the jacuzzi. So good. Going for dinner now.
Yay!
Today is our wedding anniversary, our third wedding anniversary. Yeah, day 2, and today we are checking out already. And this is the breakfast place, so let's check out the breakfast menu. Alright, so guys, okay, that's the end of the staycation. We are going back today. It's only a 2-day 1-night stay.
Yeah. I feel it's very short as compared to our previous one, which is 3 days 2 nights. Yeah, so the last day is always we feel very dreadful because we're going back home.
Yeah, okay, so for the last day, usually, you know, when you pack up and all this, you know, you're back to reality. Right, so for Hotel Kempinski, okay, I would say it's quite nice, okay, and it's quite chill. Right, and there were a few funny things that happened, okay, that I think the funniest is the first day when we check in, right?
Yeah.
Our deluxe room didn't have a bathtub. You know, it was the one with the shower. Right, and okay, I actually called in to the guest, the concierge, right? I told them, is it possible to switch to one with a bathtub? Then I think it was very funny.
She sounded like she said that she will bring up the bathtub for us.
Yeah. So what happened was, okay, she picked up the phone and then she was very serious. You know, she was answering my inquiries, and she said, I'll get someone to bring up the bathtub. So I was like,
can that be done?
Yeah, can that be done? Okay, and you know, I have a lot of question marks.
You can leave in the comment down below. Let's say if really y'all are in the hotel industry and you know that it's possible to do that. Maybe with Swaku, so yeah, maybe it's possible. Okay, but it's the first time I heard it. You know, they're going to bring a bathtub up. So I was telling the person, you know, might it be easier, you know, to switch me to a room, okay, with a bathtub? And she's like, okay, sure. And then we switched the room. Yeah, and you know, for those of you who have funny, you know, like conversations with the concierge and all this, okay, do add in hotel experience that's funny. You can share with us in the comment down below.
Yeah, add it in. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have fun. Okay, like and subscribe. We'll have a lot more videos like this coming up. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.